Hi there, this is project plan and completion dashboard. First of all, you categorize your activity into major grouping on your support sheet. For example, in this particular case, we have taken monitoring activities. The first 4 activities are under monitoring, then budget activities, then project tools release, project documentation, project launch, project documentation, here project tools release, project documentation, project launch, then training, work breakdown structures. So in your support sheet, you categorize your activities under major categories. Then you will fill this table. For example, this one is the dates where the activity is activity plan date. This is actual duration needed to accomplish that activity. Then this is the actual one, and this is the actual duration. The remaining ones are actually either taken from the peak list. For example, the first activity will be taken from the peak list, and then again the status will also taken from the peak list, which contains completed, ongoing, late, and future tasks or activity not started. The remaining 6 columns will be automatically updated once you fill those the previous cells here. All this will be automatically updated. From the total columns, 10 of them are automatically just filled, which constitute 63%. 2 of them are taken from the peak list, which is the activity list and the status, and you are actually expected to fill only 4 columns. We'll see in the next slide how this can be actually filled in detail. This is the activity list. As soon as we fill this activity list from the drop down menu, the category will be actually automatically populated. Then we'll fill the planned date, then we'll fill the task duration to accomplish that activity, then planned finish date will be automatically populated, then number of days to complete that will be automatically populated. Then we'll insert actual start date and the duration it takes to complete that activity. Then the next section will be automatically populated. The table, this is a continuation of the previous table, and the number of days actually the activity took will actually automatically populated here. This is the planned versus actual date, and then this is a column that shows the status, that shows whether the activity is completed, ongoing, late, future task, or not started. We'll just pick from the list, and then this is the current date, which is today. This is used for comparison. This is used to compare planned finished versus today or actual finished versus today. And then the last column will actually show the notification where that activity is on time or late. From the table, we'll get this dashboard, which contains one summary table, two bar graphs, and one pie chart. Just on top, we have two slicers. The first slicer shows the status, that shows activities completed, ongoing, future, and late activities. And the second slicer shows activity categories, for example, in the form of monitoring or budget and the like. We have a summary table here that shows summary numbers by major category and the proportions of percentage. Then we'll have a bar graph which shows the number and the percentage of major categories. In the pie chart, we do have a proportion of activity on time and late. For example, 92% of activities are on time and 7% of them are actually late, which shown by red color. You can get also the proportion of completed, ongoing, activity not started, and future activities and late activities in percentage. So in general, this is a very important dashboard that help us to track the project progress.